we're hoping that everybody's having a good quarantine. Hope everybody's happy, healthy, safe.
Yes.
Today we're going to make some stuffed pepper boats, and going to give you a little bit of a hint right now of what we're going to do for Easter, which is just a couple days away. But in the meantime, we'll show you what we're going to use here for these boats.
Okay.
For the cheeses, we're going to use some goat cheese, some cream cheese. For our meats, we're going to use some spicy Italian sausage.
Yummy.
And a little bit of beef. We're going to use some onion. We're going to include some spinach. And of course, the boats. Okay, so we got that hamburger and the sausage all in there. We'll throw the onions in there with it. We're going to let it cook. I know we're jumping the gun a little bit. We're going to make this video short and sweet so you guys can get back to Tiger King.
Isn't that so crazy? Very interesting.
It's a mess. We're about halfway through it and it's crazy. Yeah, to say the least. And the people in it are crazy. And we're probably crazy for watching it. Yeah. We're going to let this finish browning up, not too much. Then we're going to mix some spinach in with it. And then we'll start mixing our cheese and whatnot. So we'll be back in a minute. Looks like a ton of spinach, but it'll cook right on down.
If you are watching Tiger King on Netflix, why don't you comment below and let us know what your thoughts are. Try to be, family friendly, but we'd be interested in hearing what you're thinking about it.
Well, our kids don't read comments. Go ahead and say what you want. Oh yeah, the spinach is almost gone. Should have put some more in there.
That is so crazy how it reduces down so much like that. Does that mean there's a lot of water in spinach? I wonder.
I'm not sure. If anybody knows why that is, go ahead and comment on that as well.
Ooh, what kind of magic?
Alright, so we dumped our cheese in here. Now we're going to dump this in here while it's still hot. Let's give it another stir real quick. Doesn't really matter because we're going to stir it again in a minute. Everglades original, of course. I don't know anybody that doesn't like that.
That's a true statement.
A little pepper. And our garlic cloves were bad, so we're going to use garlic powder. I don't know anybody that doesn't like garlic either. And away we go.
Oh, that smells so good.
And then we'll be ready to stuff here in a few minutes.
Grub and stuff.
Then once all those peppers are good and stuffed, we're going to sprinkle a little mozzarella on them and bake them.
Oh yeah, baby. What are you baking at?
350 like everything else.
You guys are going to be so happy here in a few minutes.
And you just start spooning it in there. You don't want to fill it all the way up, but get a good amount in there. About like that. You can use any kind of pepper that you want. I don't really care for the red ones. I like the yellow ones.
Why did we have to use the red ones?
Because those are the ones you bought.
No. They were the ones I bought. However, why?
Oh, because the store was out of the yellow ones. That's why.
With COVID-19.
Okay, we're not going to bore you with the whole stuffing routine. We'll get them stuffed. While we're waiting, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment. Share with your friends. Stay safe. We'll be right back. There you go, folks. Okay. We're gonna put one of these bad dogs on a plate and let Beth try one. Which one do you want?
I would like, you pick one. You've got the best view.
Let's go with that one.
Oh, look at how pretty that is. Yum.
It's probably hot.
All right, I'm coming in.
She can eat hot food, I can't. I don't think she has any feeling in her mouth.
You know, I'm a mother. I've learned how to blow on it long enough so it doesn't burn you. Oh, hot, but. Mmm. Mmm. That is so good. Honey, you did so good.
And what do I always say sometimes?
Perfect is good enough.
Perfect is good enough. All right, you guys.
This was, oh, I know what I was going to say. Quick, easy, quick meal. Seriously, took us less than, I don't know, 10 minutes other than that we had cameras.
And we had to bake it.
And then after that, half an hour to bake. So this was awesome, quick, easy meal.
Actually, about 40 minutes.
All right.
Here comes the grandson, so we're out of here. Stay safe, stay well.
See you
Happy
soon.
Easter, and
Oh, yeah.
we'll see you later. Have a good one.
Bye, peoples.